Good morning, class 6. Welcome back to Biology Classroom once again. I hope all of you watched the last video. Today I will start from types of leaves. So look at your book. Leaves can be divided into two types, simple leaves and compound leaves. So first question is arise here. How will you identify what is simple leaf and which one is compound leaf? A simple leaf has a single leaf blade. So look at the picture here. Leaf blade means the marginal area, that is leaf blade. In case of simple leaf, here is a single leaf blade. It has an axillary bud. So in case of simple leaves, from the petiole there will be a axillary bud. Some example of plants with simple leaves are peepal, guava, mango and hibiscus. So student, you have to learn the example first. In some plants such as a prickly poppy and cotton, the leaf blade has many incision. इंसिशन मतलब नॉर्मली लीफ ब्लेड जो है वो सिंगल होगा, मगर सिंगल होने के बावजूद वहाँ पे बहुत सारा हम लोग क्या मल्टीप्लिकेशन देखेंगे, मतलब ये नॉर्मली प्लेन नहीं होगा, मार्जिनल एरिया पे हम बहुत सारा खांच देखेंगे, दैट इज इंसिशन. However, the incision are not deep enough to divide the leaf blade into many distinct parts. So normally incision होने के बावजूद वो इतना भी डीप नहीं है कि अलग सा मतलब ये लीफ ब्लेड को डिवाइड करके अलग पार्ट बना लेगा. नेक्स्ट, compound leaf. In a compound leaf, the leaf blade is clearly divided into many distinct parts called leaflets. Look at the figure here. Look at the figure here. देखो, ये सिंगल लीफ ब्लेड नहीं है, बहुत सारा छोटा छोटा लीफ एक साथ एक तो पेटियल के साथ जुड़ा के नॉर्मली जो लीफ फॉर्म करता है, दैट इज कॉम्पाउंड लीफ. इन केस ऑफ कॉम्पाउंड लीफ देयर विल बी अ नो एक्सिलरी बर्ड, मतलब ये सिंगल लीफ के साथ नॉर्मली पेटियल के साथ एक्सिलरी बार जुड़ा रहता है, बट इन केस ऑफ कॉम्पाउंड लीफ देयर विल बी नो एक्सिलरी बर्ड. Unlike simple leaves, the leaflets do not have axillary buds. Some example of plants with compound leaves are neem, acacia, gulmohar and rose. So what is the basic difference? In case of simple leaf, there will be a single leaf blade with axillary bud. But in case of compound leaves, there will be it is a gathering of small leaflets and actually buds basically are absent. उसी के साथ एग्जाम्पल याद करना. नेक्स्ट, टाइप्स ऑफ भेनिसन. The arrangement of veins and veinlets on the lamina of a leaf is called venation. So in case of venation is actually arrangement of veins and veinlets in the leaves, that is venation. It mainly two types, reticulate and parallel venation. Reticulate venation क्या है? In some leaves, the veins and veinlets are irregularly distributed over the entire lamina, forming a network. Such leaves are said to have a reticulate venation. So look at the figure here. That is reticulate venation. Whereas vein is divided into many veinlets, and many veinlets togetherly form a network-like structure. This kind of venation is also known as reticulate venation. So whereas the arrangement of vein and veinlets are, they togetherly form as a network. That's why it is a reticulate venation. So reticulate means net-like structure. The leaves of plants such as peepal, guava and mango have reticulate venation. Next, parallel venation. In some leaves, the veins run parallel to each other. Such leaves are said to have a parallel venation. So look at the figure here. In case of banana leaves. Already you have seen the vein basically arise parallelly, मतलब एक दूसरे के साथ parallelly arise होता है. This kind of venation is also known as parallel venation. The leaves of plants such as a banana, grass and wheat have parallel venation. In the leaves of grasses and wheat plants, the veins run from the leaf base to the tip. मतलब नॉर्मली ये लीफ ब्लेड से शुरू होकर लीफ एपेक्स तक एक साथ पैरेलली सिचुएटेड रहता है. However, in a banana leaf, the veins run laterally from the midrib. So student, I hope all of you understood what I have discussed. So for today, up to this portion.